All right, let's get right into it. We're talking about mastering applied AI, and I'm going to give you a no-fluff 30-day blueprint. This isn't about endless theory, okay? This is all about action. If you had to start from absolute zero today, this is your roadmap.
So let me just ask you this straight up. How would you even begin to learn AI if you had nothing to start with and the clock was ticking? Just 30 days. It's a real challenge, and it's one a lot of us are staring down right now.
But here's the thing. Almost everyone makes one single crucial mistake right at the beginning. It's a mistake that just completely torpedoes their progress before they even get off the ground. And what is that mistake? It's starting with courses. I know, it sounds like the right thing to do, right? But it's a trap. It turns you into a passive consumer, not an active builder. You end up knowing a lot about AI, but you have no clue how to actually use it to get something done.
I mean, look at this. This lays it out perfectly. It's like a fork in the road. Over here, you've got the slow learners. They're stuck in what I call course coma, just consuming videos, chasing some perfect theory. And then over here, you've got the fast learners. What are they doing? They're solving real problems, they're throwing messy, imperfect prompts at the AI, and they're using it every single day. The difference is night and day, and you've got to choose which side you're on. So let's talk about the better way. Here it is, a simple 4-step action plan that's all about speed and getting real results. Number 1, pick a real problem. Number 2, use AI every single day, no excuses. 3, master 1 or 2 tools, that's it. And 4, document your journey for everyone to see. Now let's dig into each of these.
Okay, step 1. Forget this big, vague goal of, I'm going to learn AI. It's way too fuzzy. It means nothing. Instead, pick a specific, concrete problem that's bugging you right now. Like, I'm going to use AI to save myself 2 hours a week writing these boring reports. You feel the difference? That is a tangible problem you can actually sink your teeth into and solve.
Now for step 2, and this is where the magic really happens. You have to use this stuff every single day, especially when you're bad at it. Just remember this mantra: messy prompts beat perfect theory. Real skill isn't born from watching a video. It's forged in the fire of actually trying and failing and trying again. You gotta get your hands dirty.
Step 3 is all about discipline. Look, there are a million AI tools out there, and new ones pop up every day. The temptation is to chase every shiny new object. You have to resist that urge. Your job is to ignore 90% of them. Seriously. Find the 1 or 2 that actually help you solve your problem and go deep. Master them. We're going for depth here, not breadth. And now for step 4, the one that is an absolute game changer, but almost nobody does it. Document your journey in public. Share what you're learning. Post about your wins. And yeah, even your frustrations. Why? Because opportunities don't just magically appear because you have a skill. They come from visibility. People have to know you can do what you do. Visibility is the ultimate career accelerator.
So, that's the action plan. But honestly, for any of this to actually work, you need more than just a to-do list. You need a complete and total shift in how you think about this technology. And this right here is the shift. You have to stop thinking like a user and start thinking like a manager. See, a user asks, what can this tool do for me? They're passive. But a manager asks, how can I leverage this entire system to achieve my goal? You're not just following instructions, you're defining the problem. You're not just using a tool, you're the director of the entire operation.
And that brings us to a really hard truth. It's the kind of thing that people don't like to say out loud, but it is the fundamental reality of the world we're in now. And it might just be the most important thing you take away from all of this.
AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing people who are slow to learn. It's replacing people who are unwilling to adapt. The real threat here isn't the technology itself. It's the new speed that's required to just stay in the game.
So in this new economy, it's not about who has the most experience or the longest resume. The competitive advantage goes to the fastest learners. The people who can pick up a new skill, apply it immediately, and get results. Those are the people who are going to win, period.
So I want to leave you with this one question. Just be honest with yourself. Think about the last month. Have you actually been learning AI by doing it, or have you just been on the sidelines watching other people do it? The choice, and the massive opportunity that comes with it, is all yours.